This is Google Form, and I want to show you how to create it completely with your phone. Step 1, open your Google app and type and search Google Form. Step 2, skip the adverts. These are adverts. This is adverts and the subheading from the advert. You see that, right? Yeah, this is advert. When you see sponsored or ad like AD, it means it's an ad, so skip it. Step 2, skip adverts and select the first option. So just tap on it. Step 3, create the form. So this is exactly how it opens. Now the first thing you want to do is tap on untitled form so you can give it a title. You delete this. You can make it bold by selecting the text. Select all the text you want to make bold. Then tap the B below. You can see it's bold now. Describe what this form is about. Form description. If you want to number it, you tap on this numbering icon or the bullet icon to number it. You see that, right? So this is 1, assuming, or if it's the number, assuming this is number 1 of what it's all about, you can continue here and tap it again. You see it will give it as number 2, but I'm not numbering it. Now is the time to start asking questions that you want the people to answer or respond to. So you just tap on untitled question. You delete what's already here, the untitled question. Now you ask your first question. You can make it bold, you already know how. Now you can also italicize it, like make the text land. You can underline it. You just tap on any of that. Now that you just asked this question, here is a provision for you to add what sort of answer you want the person to give. You get? So you tap on this triangle here. There are 3 major sort of answer style the person can give you. The short answer, that means you just have to add a little line for the person's answer to be contained in. Then for the paragraph, you can give the person more than 1 or 2 lines. Perhaps the person needs to give some explanation, so if you tap this, there will be more than 2 lines available for the person. And when you tap the check boxes, the person will simply have to tick the box, and that's it. So what is your name? You know it requires a short answer. If you want to add another page, look down here by the left. You see the plus in a circle. You tap on it. Now my next question is, which email address can I reach you with? This could require a long answer depending on the person's email address, and you don't want to make a mistake with this because you know it's one of the main things. So you tap the paragraph. You can see 2 lines here. Now it's important you tap required. Turn on this button. It's a must field. Let's add the next page to explore more of this. So my next question is, are you male or female? Look at the next option we are taking, this triangle. The option here is checkbox. You see that, right? So when you select a checkbox, you'll have to give the person options to click on. You get? So you tap the option 1 box and click option 1 and type male. Option 2, you type female. So let's close the next one. This we need, okay, let's make it 3. Option 3, order. This is required for me, so the button is turned on. Add something else, another line for another question. So this also requires a short answer, and it's required. Now what if you want to add an image or video to your page? You tap on the image icon below. You either get the image from your file, from any of those sources, here. You just choose where you want to get the image from. So I'll tap browse. For the browse, it will take you to your phone gallery. Share this video to help others out with creating a Google form for their businesses. If you want to add a title of what you just imported, you add a title. If you don't want, you can leave it as it is. Now what if you want to add a video? Below you see the video icon, you tap on it. You have the option to add a YouTube video, so you tap the name of the video. You search the name of the YouTube video you want to add. Let's say I want to add this video I called free. You tap the search icon, select a video. Okay, this is it. When you're done, you tap select by the left. So what if it's a URL? Let me show you still. So what you just do if it's a URL is to paste the URL here, and now tap select and it will be added. You get that, right? Okay, so let me just add the video. I'll delete it to show you how to delete the video. This is how you add image, this is how you add video, and that's it. So now what if you want to delete the video? You tap the 3 dots at the top left and tap remove, and that's just it. And for the image too. So what if you want to save this? Simply click on the send icon up here and copy link. So you tap on shorten if you want the link to be short. You can go ahead and preview your page, what you have done so far. Preview your page. You tap on those 3 dots at the top right. Tap preview. And here is the work you have done so far. What if someone responds to this? How do you say it? Let's say I fill up the email, input phone number, age range, and tap submit. Yeah, this is the procedure for anyone who wants to fill this. So now you want to see everyone that has responded to this. You scroll up and tap responses here. Scroll and see male or female. You can scroll and see the country. There is option for copy in any of it, and it's just that simple. So each time you want to open, you open with Chrome, so that when you look down below, you see the page of your work. That's where I am now. You see the next page, the page of the form for preview, and the page for you to keep editing. I hope this is clear enough. So go ahead, copy your link, add the message to it, and share it to all the people you are expecting to fill up. It's just that simple. Ensure to hit the thumbs up. Yeah, click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Share this video to help others as well.